Jillian got a package from Uncle Jared. Jillian, open your package. There you go. See what you got.
What?
Yeah, say hi, Uncle Jared.
Hi, Uncle Jared. I can see Jillian.
What is it, Jillian? What is it?
Slippers.
Jillian, are they ballet slippers?
Yeah.
Who's on them? Who's that?
Darla.
Do you love those?
Yeah.
You can dance around, do ballet.
Yeah.
Say thank you, Uncle Jared.
Thank you, Uncle Jared.
Okay, Logan, here's your package. You open yours up. What's that, Logan?
Rocket Man map.
Wow, cool. Can you say thank you to Uncle Jared?
Thank you, Uncle Jared.
You want to try it on real quick?
Yeah.
There you go, just put it over your head. Let me see. Wow. Look at Logan. Cool.
Look at me.
There's Jillian. We'll put your shoes on, okay? All right. Well, that was really nice of Uncle Jared and Aunt Lauren to send stuff, huh? Say love you, Uncle Jared. You say love you, Uncle Jared.
Uncle Jared.
Logan, say love you, Uncle Jared.
Love you, Uncle Jared. Look at Uncle Jared.
All right.
Can you get this off of